Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the best subwoofer in the market for this year. Pioneer SW-8MK2 Subwoofer. The best quality speaker is one that allows you to fine-tune the adjustment to suit your needs. Depending on the room you choose to install this subwoofer, it comes with crossover adjustments and phase adjustment controls for the best sound output. It features a 100-watt amplifier which functions with a vented enclosure for a bass output which is clean with an extended deep. Low and high level inputs are also available. Although not frequent, sometimes this subwoofer develops an issue where it produces a low level buzz. Polk Audio PSW-505 Subwoofer. The dialogue volume level control with this subwoofer is quite amazing. It allows the isolation of a voice level channel to produce dialogues with excellent clarity. With this, users can hear every word from their favorite sports commentator or TV character. Using a long slot load vent, this subwoofer can minimize distortion, turbulence, and noise. After minimizing such interference, it is able to produce a precise, quality bass output. For safety, the subwoofer has an auto on or off feature. It will automatically power off after 15 minutes without use and power on when it senses a signal. BIC America F12 Subwoofer. This subwoofer has a 90 decibel sensitivity with a frequency response range between 25 Hz and 200 Hz. It features a Dolby Pro Logic and Dolby Digital DTS inputs with a front-firing 12-inch design. It comes with an amplifier built in and also has a magnetic shielding. There is no problem of a port noise with this subwoofer. It features a Venturi vent which eliminates this problem when running the subwoofer. An automatic signal sensing feature is available which provides to the automatic on or off feature of the subwoofer. A 5-year warranty on parts and labor comes with this subwoofer. It covers a bit of space, so make sure you consider this area.